let's move this over. 40 seconds left. Hey, come here, skitters. Skitters. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Ready? Are you ready? Are you really ready? It's a flap. There's a flap in the box. Ooh. And there's more under there too, look. Squiggles. Alright, let's see what we've got here. For seriousness. For seriousness. My SketchBox. Higgins India ink. Fine liner pen. Ink marker. 1mm nib. Bonus. Ooh. Professional quality. Actual size. Oh, it's an eraser. Wow, it's and a couple of refills. Nice. Flat sketching pencils. Oh my god, I haven't seen these since the last time we were in Dad's shed. Look at how fat they are. Look at that. Look at that. We have ooh, Derwent. Derwent graphite. 6B, 4B, 2B, and something else. HB. HB, 2B, 4B. It says right there. Read the packet. I love Derwent pencils. Ooh, what the heck? This is not what I thought it was going to be. Made in the USA. Charcoal drawing set. Ensemble de crayons. Black ink eraser. Does it show what we got here? 3 charcoal pencils. 1. I have no idea what that means. Bianco pencil. 1 Primo Grande pencil. 4 Primo compressed sticks. And 1 Little Red All Art pencil sharpener. A kneaded eraser. And a magic black eraser. That's pretty nifty. So there's a white there. 3 black. Neato. Oh, black paper. A tiny little notebook. Oh, it's so adorable. No show-through paper. Used with all media, including spray paint. But if anyone can spray paint on pages that size, I'll congratulate them. Super fine tip. Brush pen. In black. With actual... I don't know if that's Japanese or Chinese. Is that Japanese or Chinese, KU? I don't know, but it looks spiffy. I think it's Chinese. Does it say on the back anywhere? Made in Japan. Made in Japan. Brush pen number 22. Brush tip marker with smooth flowing ink for manga. Brush lettering, etc. etc. Take off your lettering and retwist pen nib into cartridge. Oh, that's an entire cartridge. A reusable. Well, not reusable, but replaceable cartridge. Oh, it's Zig. I like their brand. There are so many things in the bottom of the box. Oh my god. another brush pen marker in black. Like, it's the same thing. Kind of got a cartridge, comes into the fine nib and a fat nib. Bonus. There is a bunch of squiggly stuff. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Ooh. Faber-Castell. Oh, look. There is a red one. And like it doesn't show up on screen, but that's actually purple KU. With some funky grips on them. That's neat. I have Le Plume permanent alcohol-based ink. So I'm guessing in color B705. Can't read that. Blue. Even though it says purple there, I'm so disappointed. Oh, speaking of purple, that's another one in purple. R, B, and F. So that's a fine tip marker, and that's a brush marker. Ah, whatever R stands for. Regular brush. What else we got here? I don't know because I put the sticker over the label. And it's written in Japanese anyway. Guessing it's just a fine tip black marker. And then 2 of these for graphic artists. Twin refillable broad fine in green, grey, and vanilla. What color is vanilla? Ooh. Hang on. Might be able to see it better on the other end. So it's a yellow, white. And in green, grey. They're not green. I would put those two together though and do something. And there is also, I'm guessing, primary yellow oil, I would assume. From France. Ooh. Primary yellow. It's definitely primary yellow. Neater. And the only thing remaining in the box is the sticker. SketchBox sticker. Neato. And more of this. There's tons of this. The cats will be extremely happy, I'm sure. We're finding that like Jodie's glitter. Just when we thought we got rid of it all. Vacuumed up the last of it. Nope. Find more glitter. I blame Jodie. So, I got some, not Copics, but some more pens. A lot of inking pens, my gosh. A lot of pencils. My gosh. Stuff everywhere. Oh, that's a lot of stuff. That's a lot of stuff. Derwent pencils. These don't even fit in the box. Oh my god. Pencils, brushes, markers, nibs, more pencils, brush pens, and a tiny little sketchbook. I want to try these. I want to try some colours in a little sketchbook. I think that's what we'll do to begin with. Let's crank the music back up a little bit. I don't even know if you guys can hear the music. Which we may not be able to get into this without ruining it somehow. the instructions. There aren't any. Limited show-through may occur over time with heavy application of xylene markers. Pages lay flat. Oh, it's one of those. Very stiff. I suppose I shouldn't actually be surprised. Does it have a... I'm guessing that's the back. That. They're really nice pencils to draw with. Though. I feel like I should cut that in two, and it's a really good quality sticker though. So I was playing around with these two Faber-Castell pencils that I got. One in red and one in purple. So I just drew like a cover page. So many things. So many things. Okay. hasn't even come through tiniest bit. It's definitely just one page. That is neat. I'm so happy right now. So many things. So many things. Look at this box of goodies. Look at them all. I got pens and brushes and lots of art supplies. Check all before activating prompt prime. Ooh. Oh yeah, it's India ink. Brush pens, ink pens, fine, super fine. Tiny little eraser. Pencils, giant pens. I scored. I even got some refillable alcohol-based dye stuff ink pens. One in vanilla, and there's another one down the bottom here in like a grey-green. So these are like Copic markers. Yeah. Make sure I put the pen lid right in the back on the rack. Pens. That one is blue. This one's very sparkly. Even got some, I'm assuming this is just oil paint. A little bit of oil paint. I got pencils, like flat sketching pencils. I got a set of Derwent pencils, graphic pencils, and a set of Primo charcoal drawing, like a full drawing set in charcoal. I scored. I really did. And a sketchbook. And a sticker.